Oh, okay. Hold on one second. I'm literally so bored. I'm gonna give myself a haircut. Little trim. Does that do anything? No. What's wrong with me? We're supposed to have nor'easter today. That didn't happen. We're supposed to get like a foot of snow. It snowed for like a minute and then it just stopped. Colin is spearheading a decluttering campaign for our apartment. He's gotten really into shelf building. Feels like every time I turn a corner, there's like a new shelf. And I have a lot of decluttering to do. We need to do a purge. And the first thing that I wanted to declutter was my closet because I want to be able to open up my closet drawers and see all clothes that I like. Not have it be 90% of clothing that I avoid, which like if you've seen this channel, you know I mainly wear t-shirts, leggings, and hoodies. And I just have a lot of like outdated tops, a lot of outdated pants. Because of that whole skinny jean controversy. Can't, you know. I've got a big bag of stuff that I am donating. Textile, recycling. Hello.
It's desolate out there.
I'm gonna go home. Like when I redid my apartment, I was like so obsessed with cleaning, and now I am like not obsessed with cleaning anymore. I am done with that era of my life. Colin is currently at home washing the floors because now I think we just switched desire to clean. I am so adverse to cleaning that I procrastinated by doing my taxes. Let that sink in for a second. I'm procrastinating right now. I'm reading this book, but I'm procrastinating still because I just taught a morning lesson and now I'm at a coffee shop getting like a breakfast sandwich and coffee. But I'm also getting Colin something too, so I'm not like being rude about it. I have no desire to declutter. It gives me anxiety. Like Colin brought it up on the train and I got like anxious diarrhea. Still procrastinating by editing. Procrastinating with self-help. Procrastinating by releasing an album. I'm procrastinating by looking at how cool these clouds are. Well, I've been productive in every single area of my life, except for tidying up. We're about to tackle what's been the bane of my existence for months, and that is this. It's like the catch-all surface in my room where like whenever I'm done with something, I just throw it on there, and I just feel like if this was clean and tidy, I would have like more control over the situation. Did I not just clean up and like do laundry? Like what is happening here?